Hello. So today I'm going to show you my ink collection. These are just empty boxes. I like to collect these. As you can see by this, most of the there's not really one brand that I prefer. That is because so far I've just been exploring inks, and my favorite so far has been. I'll tell you while we swatch the inks. So yeah, without any time wasting, let's get into it. This time we won't make the same mistake we did last time. One page, one swatch. That's it. Hopefully this is a nice angle. So I will start with the blue inks, and then I guess we won't do it in this notebook. I will start with the blue inks and then we will get into the colors and all the pens that I have inked with some color. I will show you. Currently, I have no pens that are inked with the Parker. This is Parker Quink, as you can see. It's a nice, cute little bottle, and yeah, I like this ink. It has served me well. I have heard on the internet, obviously, on Reddit, that the Luxor made Parker is not so good. Yeah, we won't do this with all the inks, but yeah, it just seemed like fun. So that's Parker for you. I like one thing about this ink, and that is when it's coming out of the pen, it looks beautiful. But the thing that I hate about this ink, and yes, I am using the hate word because I really do hate that, is when you are writing with this ink, after you've written with this ink, it dries down very light. The next we are going to see is Daytone Premium Fountain Pen ink. It's the Iron Gall ink from their premium series. One thing that you might find being a common theme in this is that these inks are not super expensive. Yeah, because again, student life, and I'm just building my collection. I don't want to go for any Ferris wheel press or something. Let's try writing Daytone. Yeah, don't consider this a representation of how the ink might turn out of your pen, because it really is not. So this is the Daytone blue ink. We have done Parker, we have done Daytone. The next blue ink in my collection, or next blue inks in my collection, are the blue black by Daytone and the royal blue again by Daytone. So we're going to try both of these. There's a separate video that I've done on the Daytone inks, blue ones. Yeah, I find these inks to be very nice. This is on the violet side. And this is the royal blue by Daytone. Again, Daytone. Royal blue. And next what we're going to see is the Daytone blue black. That's, oh my god. Oh, shit. It has this cap. It stains my hands every time I try to open it. Currently, I do have the royal blue ink in one of my pens. I would show you, but it's going to take a lot of our time because the pen that I have inked with this is Jinhao 20, And the Jinhao 20, I am having a lot of issues with hard starts. And already in the Daytone Inks video, I wasted a lot of time trying to get this bottle to open. As you can see, it has stained my hands. So yeah, be mindful of this. It keeps the ink sealed nicely, but yeah, pros and cons, I think. We are just going to dip it in. It's the Daytone Blue Black. As you can see, none of the three inks are similar in any shape or form. Even the blue black is very different from the iron gall. I really like all the colors. I just don't really like the Parker Quink so much. Other than that, I really like all my blue inks so far. I have ordered new inks, Krishna inks. Yeah, I have wanted to get my hands on them for a while. So a video might be coming very soon about that. After these, we will move on to the colors. Oh, wait. Before colors, I just want to mention the OG Camlin fountain pen ink, Shah Black. We will swatch this one quickly because this is too low of an investment. You might be able to do this at home also. Yeah, it's just available widely. Again, this ink I am not very fond of. I would say hate, but that is too strong of a word to use. I am not very fond of this ink. After this, we will move on to the territory of my favorites. So, first comes the Sulekha set of green and maroon. It's this box. Yeah, it comes inside this box, packaged in such a way. It's nice packaging. Sulekha always provides good boxes. I don't like throwing them away. So yeah. We will start with the green one. This is a green that I'm really fond of. I love this green ink. And as you might be able to tell, I'm really a fan of Sulekha inks. They make good inks. So that's the swatch. I will be able to show you what this ink looks like in a pen. Sulekha green. Then the pen is, as usual, Jinhao. Some of the other, some of the other. Then we will, oh, we already did this, it's the green one, sorry. The bottles are similar. Then we will do the maroon ink. Again, now this is a ink that I'm very fond of. And I will be able to show you how this looks because I have one of my pens inked with it. That is the swatch right there. Now this paper might not be doing justice to our inks. Like at least with the swatch, because first of all I am swatching with a cotton swab. Second of all, it's factor notes. It's really good ink, really good paper to write on, but it's not that great with swatches. Yeah, it's a really wet ink. And yeah, it's the nibs can write if you don't know. After this, we're just left with one bottle. This is not my entire collection. I have, I think, 4 to 6 more bottles of Daytone inks, but they're at my house right now. Student life again. But yeah, someday you will get to see all of them. Now, this ink, I just want to tell this ink is one of my favorites. Before we swatch it, I love the cap. I love the bottle shape. I love the sticker on it. And above that, I loved the package. It's just a beautiful, beautiful box. If Sulekha, you're watching, I will love if you send me more inks. Yeah. To be honest, I would pay. Just remove the shipping. This is a very orange brown. That's not a con, that's a pro. I will be able to show you how it looks in a pen because again I have a pen inked with it. Yeah, it goes really well with my pen. It's a nice combination. So yeah, these are the inks that I currently have with me. These three are downright my favorites, and out of the blues, yeah, I think this looks the best in the swatch, but the problem with this ink is it's not very wet. It's very dry of an ink when you put it in a pen, so it's hard to work with when you're writing. Oh, I will also be able to show you this because I have it inked in my Lamy Safari. This ink has the same problem with like the one that Parker has. It dries down really light. Now that might be a pro for you. That might be something you're looking for. But that's not what I was looking for when I was searching for a black. But yeah, these are all the inks I have. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing it. And this notebook is from Factor Notes. This folder is from Sulekha. As you can see, Sulekha. I will try to, you know what, you can just Google. You can find these very easily, very, very easily. These inks are not tough to find. These are very easy to find. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. If you like this content, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.